Hello, good day. My name is Vax, VAX. Today we're going to look at how to deploy your site into a shared hosting. I had issues deploying my first site into shared hosting because I didn't actually see a tutorial on how to do it. Then I realized that I had to do a tutorial for others so that no other person will fall into the same trouble I did. Alright, for just since it's just a demonstration, we're going to use a subdomain. So the name of the site is actually narwhal.org, but I created a subdomain called demo project. Demo project. So this is where we're going to deploy our site here. Now, naturally, when you deploy your Laravel site, you normally see the first page, but the problem you always have is getting to the other pages, which will give you a 404 error. So what we're going to do, we're going to design two pages just for test on our local host and bring those two pages to our production. And let's see how it goes from there. So I'll just delete this, not be using it. Now let's get our Laravel project. Right, in my command prompt, I already created one. I used a normal procedure, uh, create project, Laravel demo project. So this is now the project. Prefer this now. So it went through all the process. I don't want to also go through the process together, but it's just the same. So I just finished creating the project, demo project now. So this is it. Okay. The first thing you should do is to create a folder called whatever name you want to call it. I'm going to call my own Laravel. Now select everything. Control A to select. Highlight. Make sure the Laravel folder and the public folder is not selected. Then cut it off and place it inside the Laravel folder. Exactly. So when you go to your demo project now, you're gonna have two folders: Laravel containing every other thing, and your normal public folder, which contains what it contains. So whatever is inside the public folder, you're going to select it all together again. Ctrl X to cut them and paste them outside the public folder. Now you can just turn this public folder to your assets folder where you can put your CSS, your JavaScript, your images and all that. So we're gonna leave it at this, like this for now. Then when you're done that, you're gonna have two folders with your HTSS, your favicon, index.php, robot, text, web config. When you've all gotten all that, now you're gonna edit the index page. So let's go out it now. Double click to edit. You can use any editor you want to use. I'm going to use a simple one, which is TextPad. Now scroll down a little to where you see require this or da. Alright, in the first part, just remove the double dots and type in Laravel. That is the name of the project, name you call the folder. Also for the other one, call it Laravel. So if you call your folder a different name, you're going to put a different name there. Alright, so if you've done that, you save your work. Now you go to your browser just to test it that is working. So I'm going to test mine now. Localhost vac site. I call it demo project. Demo project. Projects. I called it projects. I think demo project. Not demo project. Yes, loading of that tell that it is actually working. So Laravel 5 meaning it's working. So this doesn't really mean anything. Everybody can get it up to the stage. We're going to create two pages just for clarity, just to make sure we are safe. Okay, so let's go to our project now. Let's open it up. File, open directory. We're going to call this We call it demo project. So look for, by the way, I'm using PHP Storm. You can use whatever you want to use. I can't see what I'm looking for anyway. File, open directory, demo project. Alright, so just in a new window, still working on something else. Alright, so let's just create two files. If you go to your laravel app root, H, yes, on your root the PH, yes. Just we have welcome. Let's also get one that says let's just say about page. And I'll call this about page. I'm not gonna link what this time around it should be about. So what we do is in your view folders, in your view folder you're gonna create a file. Sorry, you're gonna create a file called about its blade.php just for test. H1, this is my about page. Okay, so save your work. Now yeah, in your root folder you get an about. So if you type in about, you're gonna have get an about page. So let's just view it together, make sure it's working well. So if we type in about now, sorry, we should get an about page. Right? It says this is my about page. Beautiful. So when you deploy this now, you should be able to get your home page and your about page. So let's deploy it quickly. Now going back, deploying it, you need a tool. You need a file, an FTP engine. I for one I'll be using QTFTP. You can use FileZilla, you can use whatever one that suits you. But for now, let me just zip this project. So demo project, I'm going to zip it into 7-zip. Make sure it's a 7-zip, not in WinRAR. It has to be a zip folder, a zip file rather, a zip file. So while zipping, let me ensure that I get into my Nawatch site, as I said. So I'm going to put nawatch.org. Now I've successfully logged in to my Nawatch site. Alright, so what I have to do is this. Why I'm logging in, because I have to copy my HT access from my folder into the production environment. So let's ensure we are inside demo project. Exactly. So this is demo project now. This is all we'll be using, all we'll be needing in this file engine, FTP engine. So let's go back to we're still zipping, it's almost done. So let's go back to the cPanel. Now we're going to upload it while we're still doing, it's still zipping. So let's wait a few more seconds, then we'll zip it, then we'll upload it. Alright, you find that it's very easy. Deploying your site is very easy. Alright, so it's done now. So upload, select the file. Okay, I called it demo project. Alright, so while it's uploading, no, we can't actually do anything else. So just have to make sure it gets to 100% before we do something else. Alright, so what else am I going to say? Laravel is Very, very interesting. It's even a laravel 5.3 at the time of this recording, but this project was done using laravel 5.2. Alright, so maybe you can hear me very well, or maybe you have some issues. Whatever issue you have, don't forget that you can always leave it in my comment box and I'll do my best to reply them. Okay? Anytime, any day, I'll your replies, get to your replies. Alright? I'm a little shaky, I don't know why. Maybe because I'm not feeling too good. Maybe that's why I'm jumping around. Alright, we're in 60% now. Still 40 to go. Okay. Um, what else do we need to do? I don't want us to finish up and still have some things to do. No, I'm just trying to buy time. We're wasting it. Alright. Look at the steps. Yeah, we've done the laravel thing. Everything is working as accordingly. Alright, so just a few more seconds and we are good to go. Alright. It's kind my network actually kind of slow. Maybe that's why it's taking forever. We're almost done. This is 98, this is 99, and that's 100. Ooh-ha. Alright, back to this. If you, sorry. If you go into the demo project now, ooh, voila. Oh, this is messing up. I thought I uploaded it into now. Oh my god. Alright, I didn't seem to see what I uploaded. Let me let me relog in into the C panel. I think it's a problem from the C panel. So C panel. I hope you're not gonna steal my codes, my data, my backend password. I don't know. Alright, now it's alright, then let's log in. Let's see what the problem is. I'm logging back into my C panel. I think I'm having a problem with network. Our file manager. What's happening? Oh, nothing seems to be working, right? Oh, it's finally decided to work. Alright, that's exactly what we uploaded. So we're going to extract it. Extract the file. It didn't take long. Yeah, exactly. It's done. So this is the file we've extracted. So go into it. Yeah. Everything. Select everything. Then move it into the project folder again. That's all. So this is your file. This is your file. So that almost everything. Now if you test what you've done now, come to demo project.nowwatch.org. You're gonna see Laravel file, meaning it worked, but you won't be able to access your about page. It's gonna give you a 4.4 error. Exactly. Every other page you also try to view is gonna give you a 4.4 error. So what you need to do is this. That's where the file FTP engine comes in handy. So make sure you are in your demo project folder or the folder you're using. Make sure you can view your default directory. Now upload your HTSS. It's taking some time, it's almost done. Voila. Yeah, it's done. I think it's done. It's done. Yeah, it's done now. Alright, so if you view back again, instead of the 4.4 error, this time around, it's gonna work. Exactly. That is how to deploy your site into a shared hosting. Very simple. I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe. If you have more questions, place it in the comment box. I'll reply very soon. Thank you very much. Please have a nice day.